In this video, I review the Baseus X1 Pro Dual Tracking Solar Security Camera, an outdoor wireless camera that eliminates monthly fees. Unlike typical PTZ cameras with a narrow 110 to 140 degree view, the X1 Pro offers a 210 degree static view from dual 3K lenses, and when motion is detected, it automatically switches to 300 degree dynamic tracking. This means one camera can cover your front yard, driveway, and porch, replacing multiple cameras. It's the world's first smart AI dual-lens independent tracking system, allowing it to track two targets simultaneously without losing either, ideal for high-traffic areas. The camera also features cross-camera relay tracking for complete event coverage. Installation is straightforward. Mount it with a drill in 15 to 20 minutes. The 3W solar panel includes auto sun tracking with a 120-degree adjustable angle, boosting charging efficiency by 2x. The included 4-meter cable lets you place the panel in optimal sunlight even if the camera is shaded. In testing, 20 minutes of direct sun provides 24 hours of runtime, and the backup 7,800 mAh battery lasts 150 days in cloudy conditions. For best performance, fully charge before first use. The NeuraNex 2.0 AI chip upgrades recognition, accurately distinguishing people, vehicles, pets, and moving foliage, reducing false alarms by 99%. You can set the camera to patrol preset zones on a schedule for proactive 24/7 monitoring. Image quality is impressive. 3K resolution captures details like license plates and facial features. Color night vision uses a 100 LLM spotlight for 8 meters of full-color footage, and 8x digital zoom lets you inspect closer. All recording is stored locally on a micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes, not included. With AES plus RSA dual encryption and EU EN 18031 compliance, no subscription fees. The camera supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. Privacy is addressed with customizable 2 privacy zones, blacked out on screen, and 2 activity zones. Events outside these zones are not reported. The camera is IP65 waterproof, operates from 24 degrees to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, and has an ETFE solar surface that resists yellowing. The 3-axis mount allows perfect angle installation, and the solar cable includes a waterproof plug. Baseus offers a 2-year free replacement warranty and 24/7 tech support with an average response time under 2 hours. This camera makes an excellent Father's Day gift. Overall, the Baseus X1 Pro delivers exceptional value with no subscriptions, dual tracking, and reliable solar power. Thanks for watching.